Here's how to match a paint color of your wall without having to take the wall to the paint store.
If you're needing the paint because you're going to repair the wall, if you've got shards of the plaster with the paint on it, as long as they're approximately 1 inch by 1 inch at least, you can just take a piece of this into the hardware store to get your paint. However, if it is something like this kind of damage, do your sample square just near the actual damage. Then when you're doing the repair, you're repairing the sample swatch at the same time. However, if there's no damage and you're just wanting to paint a wall to match another coloured wall or paint it back to the original colour, you'll need to cut yourself a swatch and do a quick repair afterwards.
Find yourself an inconspicuous spot. It doesn't really matter where it is because we're going to patch it and repair it with the paint that we match. So you can get any kind of straight edge. I'm just using a
joint knife, sometimes referred to as a putty knife.
And we're going to cut a 1 inch square, just scoring around the edge. All right, so we're not going in too deep. Now what we're going to do is lift off just the paint and the first layer. So we're not actually going to cut out the whole piece of drywall, plasterboard. We're going to grab our knife and put it underneath. So you can see I am just feathering it underneath. So I'm just getting this top layer. Make sure your knife is sharp. Now I'll go a bit longer. Right. There we go. Okay, so I've just got a little bit of the drywall with it. Give that a little rub to get rid of any excess. But then we're just going to fill it with some multi-filler.
You might find it's called something different in your country, like spackle, or you might also use another product called joint compound or something similar. Once it's dry, you just give it a sand and it will be ready to paint over.
And I can take this to the store and get the perfect match.
If you love DIY tips, please feel free to check out my channel. I have over 10 years worth of handy hints and tips, and you can subscribe for absolutely free. You never have to pay to subscribe on YouTube. If you found my video helpful, I would love it if you could drop a like and a comment saying it was helpful. And also there's a super thanks button in case you feel like going the extra mile so I can create more videos for people like you.